Thank you. Shit, stop coughing. Hello everybody, today I'm going to be cooking my world famous macaroni and cheese with hot Cheetos. I've never made it before, but it's going to be world famous. So I'm starting off now by boiling some water to put the macaroni in. So just got some elbow macaroni. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the pot. Oh, I spilled it all. Welcome to my life. No, Lilo, you can't eat that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, stir it in, and then now, this is the ingredients besides that pasta. Have hot Cheetos, of course, I already ate some Applewood smoked bacon, you don't need that, but I'm gonna do that. Some butter, Colby Jack cheese, and another cheese. This is garlic cheese or something, I don't know. So I'm basically winging this. Oh, you also need flour, but that's why I'm putting this camera on. So basically, all you need to do is just watch this and see how I do it. Hey, Lilo, don't eat that! What we're gonna do next is cook some bacon. Because who doesn't like bacon? Put in some bacon and watching the macaroni cook still. So just gonna make sure this gets nice and crispy, and then gonna put it on a towel so we could get some of the stuff off of it. What's it called? Grease. And then we're gonna keep some too to put it in to make it extra delicious and juicy. This is a great dish for Thanksgiving and the holidays. Today's Thanksgiving, so that's why I'm gonna make it, because I wanted to bring something to Thanksgiving. At least I hope I like it. And we got some lactate pills too, because lactose intolerant, but I'm still gonna make this and I'm gonna eat it today. So excited, so excited, so excited. So the macaroni is done, and now the bacon is on paper towel to dry. Now we're gonna make the sauce. So there's a little bit of fat in here, and we're gonna use that to make the sauce. First, you add some flour, just a little bit. Serial killer. So I think you just add a cup or a teaspoon. Okay, we're gonna add that and let's work with that. Stir that in. I'm gonna add some butter, like a half a stick of butter. I'm just going for it. Well, that's less than half because we're being healthy. Cheese to this. Like 2.5 cups. And also some of this garlic cheese. So it's gonna be nice and garlicky too. Jesus, this is hard to open.
Is it on?
Yeah. This is fun. This is gonna be a hit. I think that it's a little thick, so I'm gonna add in a splash of milk. Ah! Oh my god. I've seen them do this before. For this to melt. Oh, it's not supposed to look like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use all this macaroni. This is a lot. Some macaroni in here. A little bit first and see how it looks. This looks nice. I think it's gonna need more cheese though. Some more cheese here. I don't know if it's all gonna fit in this thing though. So this is how it looks right now, but we're gonna add in some more cheese because it's not cheesy enough. And now I'm gonna put it in here. Wow, this looks so good. Yes. Squish it down. Oh, good. Looks like this right now. And then for the best part, this. And you squish it. Hot. And then just pop it in the oven.
You can't, the turkey's in there.
Pop it in the oven later.